Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Today I'm showing you this Goldwing. This is a 2023 DCT. We installed a sidecar for this customer on this at the time was a brand new Goldwing. And he took it home. And it was about his second or third ride, and he hit a giant pothole. And he ruined his engine. He put a hole in his engine from a pothole. Anyway, we're gonna fix this one. His insurance bought him a brand new bike. And it was nice for him. He just dropped it off here, and we took all the old stuff off of this bike and put it on his new bike and sent him home, and like it never happened. But it is unfortunate that these things happen. The guy had every accessory in the world on this thing, but he didn't have a skid plate. Can't see a skid plate. But it looks kind of cool. All torn apart. So if you happen to destroy your engine, well, you can bring it here and we will find you a solution. In fact, I have got a DCT engine on hand. If anybody needs one, they can call us and we can figure something out. But get your bike here and we can fix it for you. In fact, at that point, you probably just want to turn it into a trike. That's what we're doing to this one. Be a trike. In fact, this will be the kit right here. California sidecar, 5-year unlimited mile warranty. We're gonna keep this kit. This will be our shop trike. We'll put everything on this. We'll put traction shock up front on it, and well, we'll just let anybody who wants to see what a great ride that these California sidecar trikes offer, we'll let them come down and they can see for themselves. We're Crossroads Trikes in Salt Lake City, Utah. Nobody builds a better trike. Come down and see us. Indian, Harley, or Honda Goldwing. 5-year unlimited mile warranty. Thanks for watching, everybody.